Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Edge browser not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now to fix this issue, simply go to Start button, choose Settings, and from the left panel, click on Apps. Thereafter, go to Installed Apps. Here, look for Microsoft Edge browser. Wait for a while, it will appear soon. Scroll down and go to the app Microsoft Edge browser. Thereafter, click on three horizontal dot and choose the option Modify. In next windows, click on Repair. It will repair Microsoft Edge browser and install a fresh for your Windows 11 and 10 system. And try to open Microsoft Edge browser. It will definitely work. If this method does not fix, then go to the next method. Right click on Start. Choose Task Manager. Open Task Manager is Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here under Process tab, look for Microsoft Edge browser. Scroll down and we will find the option Microsoft Edge browser. Click on it and choose the option End Task and check Microsoft Edge browser is working or not. If not, then go to the next fixes. Now open Microsoft Edge browser. Click on three horizontal dot from the right top corner. Click on it. Choose Settings. Thereafter, under Search Settings, type Reset Settings will appear. Click on it and choose the option Reset. It will reset your default settings and check whether your problem is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fix. Go to Windows Search, type PowerShell. Open PowerShell Windows as administrator mode. And here execute the command. This command path will also available in my video's description. Go through it and copy this code and paste in PowerShell window. Simply copy it and paste and press enter to execute the command, and your problem will definitely resolved and Microsoft Edge browser will working properly. That's all.